Go to the left menu and click on Advanced Image Editor. Now you are in Advanced Image Editor section. You can choose templates from our template library. You can adjust the image frames. You can add text to your image. You can add images to your template from your local or media library. You can add shapes to your image. You can add elements to your image. You can add icons to your image. You can also add QR codes to your image. You can draw your image. Once you're done editing, you can save your edited image or you can download it in your desired format. Thanks for watching the video.